Hello children, I'm Vinita. Today we'll do advertisements. It is useful for both class 11th and 12th. First, let's see the marking scheme of advertisement. It is of 4 marks. Format is of 1 mark. Content is of 2 marks. Expression is of 1 mark. Now, what is an advertisement? It is a short composition. It is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspapers, magazines, television, radio, and cinema about a product, job, or service. An advertisement attracts immediate attention of the public. It is used to influence the minds, taste, and even motives of the masses. Now, basically, there are 2 types of advertisements. First one is classified, and the second one is display, or you can say general commercial advertisements. Main characteristics of classified advertisements are like they are written in short, catchy phrases. The language used is simple, factual, and formal. They are short, concise, and to the point. All the relevant information is provided in the word limit of 50 words. Contact, name, and address is given. They are written in a box to attract attention. And they are cheaper and can easily be made following simple formats. Further, classified advertisements are divided into several parts. We'll do them one by one. First one is situation vacant. Situation vacant is basically for any vacancy, you can say. They begin with wanted or required. State the name of the company. Mention the post and number of vacancies. Minimum qualification and experience desired should be mentioned. Age, gender, and preferential qualification should also be mentioned. Pay scales and perks. Then we have to state the mode of applying, how to apply for that particular post. That should be mentioned clearly. You will end the advertisement with contact address and phone numbers. You can see the sample of situation vacant. The company's name is Green Bio Products, and they want an efficient PA stenographer, you can say. So whatever qualification are required for PA, that you have to mention here. You can see qualification, age limit, typing speed, salary, then how to apply for the post. Everything is mentioned in this. Then we come to to let. You have to begin with available or wanted again. To let is like taking or giving your house on rent. State the type of accommodation you require or you want to give it on rent. Brief description should also be given, like size, floor, number of rooms, what kind of fittings are there, location, surroundings. What rent you expect, that also you can mention. At the end, you have to mention contact address and phone number. So see the example. The locality has been mentioned, Sushant Lok, Ansals MIG flats, second floor, 2 BHK rooms, lobby, balcony, fully furnished, ventilated, walking distance from main market, taxi stand, rent expected, and if company lease preferred, those who are getting company lease. If you have noticed, full sentences are not written. Only the required phrases or words can be used to mention the requirements. Then sale and purchase of property, vehicles, household goods, etc. It can be anything. It can be property, it can be vehicles, it can be household goods. You have to begin for sale purpose, available or wanted, like either you want to sell it or you want to buy it. Mention the type of accommodation, vehicle, household item. Brief physical description should be given. End with contact address and phone numbers. If property is there, specific details will be given, like specify size, floor, number of rooms, like we have mentioned in the toolet also. Then fixtures and fittings, location and surroundings, price expected and offered if you're selling it. See the example for sale. Ashok Vihar DDA flat, first floor, 2 bedrooms, drawing dining with full interiors, car parking available, north and park facing also, located near main market, reasonable price. Then the contact name and number. If you want to purchase, then you will write for purchase, and then you will mention the similar things. If it is about some vehicle, you're going to state the model, year of manufacturing. You will specify the condition, mileage done, give color, accessories, price expected, offered. You can see the example. You want to sell your Maruti car. So how you're going to write: available Maruti 800DX 2000 model in excellent working condition, white scratchless, self-driven, sparingly used, average 18 kilometer a liter, all accessories intact, expected price not below 1.40 lakhs, contact Malhotra, and this is the number given. See how to the point and precisely it has been written. Then if you have to write the advertisement for educational institutions, you have to give the name of the institution, mention the courses offered, duration of it, specify the eligibility condition. You can also list the facilities available and fee structure, quote the last date for registration or application, end with contact address and phone number. So if you have noticed that almost all the format of all the kinds of classified advertisement is similar, only the heading is changing, and you have to mention accordingly, like whatever the heading is, you have to mention the things according to it. You can see this, Indian Institute of Foreign Language, Hyderabad. So short-term course in French, Chinese, Japanese, duration 6 months, eligibility senior secondary, excellent faculty, computerized training, incentive for early birds, 10% seats free, and last date is also given. Then comes your phone number and you have to contact the secretary. So how in few words it has been described. Travels and tours, begin with package available, state name of travel agency, then specify destination and duration also wherever the destination is. Supply details of package, food, boarding, lodging, sightseeing, etc. Then you have to give the estimated cost also, special discounts if given. Then end with contact address and phone number. You can see the example. Attractive package for Mauritius, 3 nights, 4 days, like you must have seen in the newspaper. Breakfast and dinner, stay at 3-star hotel, sightseeing included, 10,000 per person, special discount for early birds. This you can mention in travels and tours and also in the educational institutions. So this phrase you can use it. Then the name of the travel agency is given along with the address and phone number. Lost and found. You have to begin with lost or found, whatever, whether you have lost something or whether you have found something. Specify the item, give brief physical description, mention when, where lost or found. If you want to give any reward, then that also you can mention. End with contact address and phone number. You can see the example. VIP classic brand briefcase with Prashant written near the handle. So everything you have to describe about the while traveling by DTC bus route, this Lakshmi Nagar to Connaught Place. It contains some valuable documents. Finder will be suitably rewarded. So that is also mentioned. Address is mentioned as well as the phone number. Then you also write the advertisement for missing people or pets also. Like if any family member or friend has been missing from a long time and you want to mention it, then you can begin with missing. Give brief physical description, mention name, age, and identifying features, basic features, what all color clothes they were wearing. And you can also offer some reward. Contact address and phone number will be given at the end. If it is a person, then you have to mention height, complexion, belt, clothes, etc. If it is a pet, you have to mention breed, color of fur, skin, etc. So I hope it is clear. See the example. If a person is there, Shirish, a young boy, you are mentioning the height, then fair complexion, blue eyes, physical features, you can say. And also you can give some birthmark or some kind of mark which is there on his body to identify him. Then about the clothes, it has been mentioned, and also about the reward. Missing pet, like a dark brown male Labrador. Height is given. Scabby is the name. It is 2 years old. White stripes are there. He has a hole on his left ear. Black leather belt is there. So again, the reward will be mentioned. Business proposals can also be given in the classified advertisement. You have to begin with wanted or available. State specialization, service offered, required. Quote special terms, facilities, if any. End with contact address and phone number. You can see it is a Novex Corporation, and it is a brand of hosieries, wholesale dealers, agencies, and retail outlets. Attractive terms and business discount in addition to traders' commission. Interested parties may contact sales manager. Then the address and phone numbers are given. Then comes matrimonial. You must have read them. How they describe. It can be given for bride as well as for groom. Description will be given in height, age, family status, monthly income, etc. Urgency of marriage. How to contact, send horoscope, image, etc. Then mention early marriage, caste, no bar, etc. Whatever you want to mention about the person, but it should be to the point and in the given word limits. You can see the example. Bride wanted. Lance invited from a slim, beautiful, mealy-mouthed, considerate, and homely girl. Should be working for a tall, dark, handsome boy. Working abroad, Punjabi, non-Manglik boy. See how all the things are given, but in a small way. To the point, phrases are used. Mother a homemaker, no dowry, early image, early marriage, interested matchmakers may contact at numbers given below. There are other advertisements also under the classified heading. This category will be applied for those which can't be categorized by any one of earlier columns. So something different from that can be given in miscellaneous. It can be like foreign exchange, expression of interest, exchange of goods, home delivery for household items, exhibition of ancient relics, etc. Or it can be change of name too. Like you can see, I Praveen Yadav, son of Ram Kishore. So due to some astrological reasons, he wanted to change his names. That is why he is given in this. That can come under the miscellaneous heading. You can see how the classified advertisements are given in the newspaper. You must have seen in the newspaper. There is a separate classified ads section where all these advertisements are given. Now commercial advertisement. The second type of advertisement is commercial. Commercial advertisements are costly. They are colorful, attractive, And most of them consist of slogans, offers, pictures, etc. There is no fixed format of commercial advertisement. You can see the sample. It's a Women's Day celebration. Offers are given and how attractive, colorful it has been made. There is no fixed format. Informal language can also be used. See these advertisements which you must have seen in the newspapers also. It can be of anything. Difference between classified and commercial advertisement. Let's see the difference. Classified advertisements are small, while commercial are elaborated ones. So you can say there is a difference in the size and word limits of classified and commercial. Classified advertisement has a fixed format, whereas commercial advertisements don't. So there is a fixed format in classified, whereas in commercial, it is not there. Classified advertisements are cheaper. Obviously, they are small in size, so they are cheaper also. And while commercial advertisements are costly. So I hope advertisement topic is clear to you. Thank you, children.